So the Wim Hof method is all about strengthening your nervous system and improving your relationship with stress. I want you to try and take a big breath in through your nose. Exhale through the nose. Inhale. Keep holding your breath. So we use a combination of breath work and ice baths to help really strengthen that nervous system. All together, breathing in, letting it go. Deeply in, letting it go.
It's certainly the best natural high I've ever felt in my life. And when the sound therapy started, I felt like I could have laid here all day.
So when you get in, your breath's going to be taken away. So what we're trying to achieve is we're trying to teach our body how to recover from that stress. So we go back to that deep diaphragmatic breathing as a way to calm ourselves down. We're built to be able to handle these stresses, but we just choose the comfort. So after an ice bath, you feel really invigorated and it really helps to enhance your performance, your focus and your concentration. This method has really changed my life, so let it change yours.